In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an entire lesson plan in under 2 minutes. From the home page, we're going to select the lesson button. This will bring a pop-up, so you can select from an already existing class, or you can create a new class. Then you'll just need to type in your new class name, the year level that's aligned to that class, and then what curriculum you would like to select. Then we'll click Create, and this brings us to the skill screen. You have the option of either going through each strand and manually clicking on the skills. Next to each skill, there's a little eye icon here that actually displays example questions from the skill, so you can ensure that you're aligning the skills you're choosing to your classes. You can actually untick only core objectives here, and you'll be able to see other supplementary skills. You'll also notice a core objective symbol. This means that the mapping from this skill is direct to a curriculum code. If there's still a skill that you do not see here, you can actually search for it here. For example, converting. All of the skills, regardless of year levels, will show up here, and you can select, then click Next to come to the last section. Here we can choose the number of periods that we'd like our lesson to go for. Finally, we come to the lesson context. This is a context that your lesson will align to give your students an idea of the real-world applications that this maths has. If there is a certain context that you would like to see, you can search for it here. So I've just chosen rugby as an example, and then it's selected there. Finally, we can go ahead and generate that lesson. When your lesson is created, the first slide that you'll see is your lesson agenda. In the introduction, you've got your warm-up question. These are differentiated by mild, hot, spicy. Then you've also got your real-world example and a maths question that relates to the context. Underneath that, you've got your teaching notes with the skills that you've chosen. Then you've got class practice. This is where we do happens. You have a question that you can go through with your students, and you're able to edit on this page by creating shapes, adding in text, drawing on the whiteboard feature. Then you've got student practice. This is also differentiated into mild, hot, and spicy. You can change the zoom level in the bottom right-hand corner. You can also individually see each question by coming to the top panel and clicking on each question. To see the answers, you can click Reveal Answer. You can also click the answer if it's a multi-choice question down here, submit your answer, and then it will be assessed immediately. Finally, in the conclusion, you've got an open-ended question, then you've also got a discussion prompt. Finally, you've got your exit ticket. This is also split up into mild, hot, and spicy to differentiate between each student, and it'll cover what skills were taught in the lesson. Then, if you've got other periods, you'll see them below here, and they will follow the same structure as your first period.